Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install app from Chrome app on iPhone, iPad after updated. So let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, first of all, open settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and find screen times and tap it and then scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Click it. Now you can see it's going to appear on screen and then tap on app installation and purchase. Now tap on installing app. Now you can see you have don't allow and then tap on allow and back and all options to turn allow and back and close it and then tap open Chrome app and search here Snapchat app. Click it and then scroll down and then tap on download. Click it. Now allow. Tap it. After that it will appear on screen and then tap on download. Now you can see his app downloading. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.